Meizu and Lynk Co have joined forces to introduce an exciting new smartphone tailored for the world of intelligent travel. The Meizu 20 PRO Lynk Co 08 Custom Edition has officially hit the market, and it's loaded with features that make it a must-have for tech-savvy commuters. This customized smartphone is available in a 12GB plus 512GB configuration, with an initial price tag of 5,288 yuan. However, the first lucky buyers can enjoy a 500 discount, bringing the price down to just 4,788 yuan. Plus, there's a bonus, a gift box worth 599 yuan. The gift box, aptly named the Meizu Lynk Flyme Auto Cell Phone Domain Supreme Gift Box, contains a range of goodies. Inside, you'll find a Flyme Auto mobile domain customized phone case, Flyme Auto metal car stickers, and a PANDAER 50W light of the wind-cooled wireless charger. One of the standout features of this smartphone is its eye-catching design. The back cover boasts a stunning glass AG process with an exclusive purple hue. To emphasize its unique identity, the lens module side features the distinctive 8 texture, representing the Lynk Co 08 model. But it's not just about looks. This smartphone is all about seamless connectivity with your vehicle. Using Flyme Lynk cell phone domain technology, it effortlessly integrates with your car system. You can stream apps, music, and navigation seamlessly between your phone and your car. Searching for your car is a breeze, and even video conferencing becomes car-friendly as the camera switches over. And here's the real game changer. The Meizu 20 PRO Lynk Co 08 Custom Edition is equipped with China's first CCC 3.0 UWB, ultra-wideband, sensorless car key. No more fumbling for car keys, this smartphone does it all. It supports high-precision car locating, making it incredibly convenient for those moments when you're on the move. In terms of hardware, this custom edition aligns with the standard Meizu 20 Pro, ensuring top-tier performance. As the Meizu 20 PRO Lynk Co 08 Custom Edition hits the market, it's clear that Meizu and Lynk Co are taking intelligent travel to the next level, offering consumers a more intelligent and convenient life experience. If you're seeking a smartphone that seamlessly integrates with your car and enhances your daily commute, this customized edition is worth a closer look.